nyabusha. Mutano ndagire mu bitinisa ukwakira mwahura nibagira Margaret Honorable kwarahize kugamba omucharo mwayakira n'engaro most senior in the Parliament of Uganda, Honorable Cecilia Ogwal Atat. Chaba ni cheta gisa mwinu nomawa notoze bijere by'omuntu ahakuru batokora ki mwena hari marara nanta kwenda mwajiro wabere batamu mwene nico cyanyemereza ngunyakiri no bucurezi bwingi Honorable Cecilia Ogwal Atat. Mama Cecilia, twakushemerera, twakwakira, twakukunda. Mutakagira ngo abandi tikubata mwechitinizi kuka wabo mahura kabashara na mpero mzuruzi niye myaka yanje ni chitambuzeri muwaka nke ya Honorable Paka nyowe okwenda kuntuma na ntuma echo kabatambera ndawo kwa mani nchigiri mwene omuntu yana kuchira myaka ni mwe myetonge no mu HTs. So with great respect, that is why I have come to introduce my mother, my mentor, a senior citizen, really that asavinjiri hange omumiringo yon. Honorable Atat, my first time to travel with her, somehow, you know, when you want good things, you are attracted to good people. I got close to her, and she gave me her bag to carry. I carried. The bag was heavy. She doesn't move. My dear, Dora. I carried. Now, she wanted to buy and change her ticket. My dear, she gave me money. She said, "You pick, go and buy me a ticket. You will breathe for me." I closed my eyes. I picked, went, bought a ticket and brought the balance. Then really I kept around her. So when we came back to Parliament, we landed to greet the Speaker, both of us. And this is what she said to the Speaker. Right Honorable Anita Among. I'm saying it in English so that she can hear the message. She told Right Honorable Anita Among that my age comes with wisdom. I'm reporting. I have a very good sharp eye to see very strong women. And she held my hand and said, "Right Honorable, I saw you when you were starting. I saw Honorable Betty Among the minister when she was starting, and many others. And she said, I want to affirm to you, this girl that I'm holding a hand has great value for this country." Those are the most generous words that any mother, any elder, any person of wisdom that you look up to can ever say. So Mama, I am very honored to have you to come and talk to your people of Mbarara City. Mumwachile nengaro mpanga. And she has requested me to try and translate when she feels like that I should. You're most welcome. She wants music. Very, you know, music speaks. je nguyinjabwa abakyala naye nakashongoro akabakyala akalimu concert yabusha Uganda oye! Ankole oye! Mbarara oye, oye, oye! Rita oye! Mpaka oye! Ogwal oye! People of Mbarara and all people present here, women and men, in your different capacities. I'm here as a member of this community. For those of you who don't know, I've been here all the time. I was here recently. I'm back again because I'm part of this community, whether you like it or not. I'm not asking you to accept me. Because you say when you produce a child, it doesn't matter whether she's ugly or she's black or what. That is your child, right? So I'm part of this community, whether you like it or not, I am part of this community. And anything that is developmental, I will try my best to be part of it. And that's why I'm here. People of Mbarara have come to celebrate the achievement of women. I'm a proud woman. I'm a proud mother. I'm now a proud grandmother. And I can assure you, a woman, to me, if you were to ask me to define a woman is the apple of the Lord's eye. It means it's a painful part of life. Wherever you are, a woman is valuable, painful in that community, in that home, in that country. So everybody must celebrate a woman. Wherever you are, you must celebrate your mother, celebrate your daughter, celebrate women all over. Because women is the custodian of everything, including the life of children and their husbands. Women are the custodians. Can you imagine these men who beat their wives? Or I've been watching a drama here, a man getting drunk and helpless, and then he stands up to beat his wife. And if a woman was wicked, a woman would just either hit the man to death or put poison in the mouth. But a woman would not. A woman is the source of life and values life. And that's why we must celebrate women. Today is not my day. I'm not supposed to give a speech as such, but allow me to give you two messages. One, today we are launching some fund for the welfare of women, or for the formation of women's circles. And I want to congratulate the people of Mbarara City for this initiative.
women have to do everything possible to help themselves, to help one another. So I congratulate you for that. That's very fundamental, and I'm going to ask my daughter here to ensure that you don't leave out the girl child. This child who produced at the age of 14, 13, 10, don't forget them. They are our responsibility. And please, mothers, don't throw away these women. Don't throw away this child who is bringing you another child. Don't throw them away. Let's embrace them and make them useful citizens. That is my prayer to all of you women, wherever you are, and fathers as well. That's the message I want to leave with you. The second message I want to leave with you is that I'm happy. I discovered one of my sons here who is an artist here. I don't know whether he's around. There he is. If I found you had interfered with Rita's day, I would have been the first one to beat you up. It doesn't matter who you are. You must respect the rights of women. Some of you think when you harass an opposition member or when you harass a woman, then you are promoted. You may be promoted, but God will demote you and even punish you. So I'm very happy that I've got good children now. You can see the seed of my effort has given you a good RDC and has not harassed you. I was in Soroti just 2 weeks ago. I was blocked. I wasn't able to address women, although they came in a flood as you are now. And this has embarrassed the country. So you must tell me, who loves the country? Is it the policeman, or the military man, or the zealous, stupid RDC who goes beating up women, including old women like me? You don't love Uganda if you can do that. If you can brutalize a woman, you cannot say you love your country. Never. So I'm warning all of you, whether you are in uniform or you are in civilian and you are spying on me. If I was to kill anybody, I would have killed them long time ago. I'm here to make sure that you people get the rich history and make it better. Don't let us go backwards. That is the message I'm preaching to all of you. And I want to tell my women here, particularly the NRM leaders, including you, Rita. I come here, find all of you in red band. So what am I supposed to do? And in yellow band. What am I supposed to do? I actually felt sorry that time. When I looked at my dress, I found yellow in it. I said, and the master of ceremony is also so naughty, he gave me a yellow microphone. This one does not go well with the spirit of women emancipation. I'm glad we have a woman, the NRM chairman of women. Can you stand up, please? That's one of my seats. Come here. This is one of my daughters from Mbale. And you know what Mbale means. Mbale and Hussein, you know, in the history of Uganda, they know. Aha, now you understand. And you can see how she's dressed. You see in yellow? She's in national color. We must do everything possible to bring women together. If you are going to put on yellow, what about those of us who don't identify with yellow? Come in your neutral color. Be like a military person who cares about everyone. If you are going to celebrate only the NRM, where are the FDC going to find where to celebrate? Where will the UPC celebrate? So you women leaders, if you are in power today, ask Mrs. Ogwal, I was in power yesterday, but it's because I respected others. That's why I will continue to talk yesterday, today, tomorrow, I'll continue to talk. So if you are in power today, respect the rights of those who are in opposition. Today and tomorrow, you'll be alive. Praise the Lord.
Amen.
I want to give you the last message. I've talked about good seats. Those of you who are in NRM, to allow this woman to be sitting under the tree and not producing as much as she should do, it is a shame to be. Go and sit. I've already identified Rita. I already told you about Mpaka. I don't even know where he is, not even respecting his mother. You should be standing here. Where is Mpaka? Yeah. This boy here, please take care of him. I'm not here all the time, but I know you are here with him all the time. These are my seeds. The problem with a mother, what comes out of your stomach, you can never tell. Some of them, they call me mama and they love me, but then they run to NRM. Some of them are UPC, some of them are F, so I have nothing to do. But as long as you are good, use your party for the good of the country. That's the message. Whether you are in UPC, FDC, NRM, respect your position and use that position to make the country better and to unite the country. That is my last message to you. The women of Tokolo would have loved to accompany me here, but because of the bad experience we had, they sent me with 1 million, which has already been passed on to Rita for this initiative. And please, when you get started, you call me. I will always come and share information with you because I started that long time ago. I'm sorry I have to leave a bit earlier because I have so many other commitments. But may God bless you. I love Mbarara, I love Ankole. Whether you like it or not, I'm part of this community. May God bless you.
Mbarara, oh yeah. Mbarara, oh yeah. Mwebale kandi mwena mwabihurra. Ijo president wachina kajira mutwego futi.
Unfortunately, I was restrained to do that because of the experience we had in Soroti 2 weeks ago, where we were blocked by the police and under the order of the RDC. But also, I discovered that not all police officers are bad. The police commander or the DPC of Soroti City was very disciplined and very restrained. He was able to manage the event very, very well. Possibly many people would have been injured because the crowd was big, even much bigger than I'm seeing here. So the message I have is that we need to sensitize the RDCs and the RCCs. We need to sensitize the police officers so that they understand their responsibilities. Some of them are overzealous politically, not knowing that their role is to protect both those in government and those in the opposition. Not only protect those in government, but to protect both sides. But that is where they are. To tell them that what they are doing is bad and to punish them for those who go overboard. So that's the only message I can give. We are all Ugandans. We are all working for the good of Ugandans. So what we need to do is to make sure that we promote unity. Unless you can embrace a member of NRM, as I'm now embraced today. I've come to attend an NRM function, but I'm very happy here, and people are happy to receive me. Likewise, NRM should also come to the opposition areas and also celebrate with them. That's the only way we can know that women have the same challenges and we must help each other if we are to come out of it. So that is what we need to preach in our country. So what are you going to do as that we have been discussing it. You remember even yesterday, Parliament was prematurely adjourned because the atmosphere became a bit hot. So we have decided that Tuesday we'll have a detailed discussion over that issue and probably we'll come up with a resolution which must be implemented by the government to make sure that the environment improves. Yeah.